Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Bagari Baigan. I was introduced to Bagari Baigan when I was a little child and I lived in Hyderabad, and I learned that biryani in Hyderabadi biryani is served with either mirchi ka salan or Bagari Baigan or both. So I grew up loving the taste of Bagari Baigan, and Bagari Baigan is made with small round aubergines. I don't have small round ones, I have small long ones, and so these can be substituted and used as well. I'll show you how we slice them, and you take these, you fry them, and then you make the curry. So I'm not going to deep fry them because it's not really good for us. I'm going to use my air fryer to fry these. So that is the Baingan aubergine. Other than that, what you need is a whole host of seeds and spices. So we have 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. We have 4 tablespoons of peanuts. We have 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. We have a teaspoon of cumin seeds, so all those dry ingredients that I've just stated, we're going to dry roast first, and then we're going to pour some water and blitz them so they become a nice paste. Other than that, we're going to use 1 small onion that I have chopped up already, a tablespoon or so of ginger garlic paste, 7 to 8 curry leaves. Now if you have fresh curry leaves, use those. I've got dried curry leaves, so I'm going to be using that. Tamarind water, about a tablespoon, and 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut if you have. I have fresh ground coconut, so I'm going to be roasting that. And for garnishing, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. So let me first show you how we cut the baingan, which is the aubergines, and then we'll dry roast the spices while the baingans are frying in the air fryer. So let's get cracking and do this quick. So with this one, you would leave the stalk on and just quarter it. So you just cut it like so, and then again, oops, not all the way, but like that. So when you cook them afterwards and you put them in the curry, all the gravy will soak into your aubergine. So I've cut all the aubergines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a couple of tablespoons of oil and massage that into the aubergines. And what that'll do is it'll make it nice and moist. I'm going to also sprinkle it with salt so that it has some flavor. And then I'm going to just put it in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, then please deep fry these till they are 75% cooked through. I'm dropping them into my air fryer. While the aubergine is frying in the air fryer, I've got it at 200 for about 10 minutes. We will start toasting the nuts and seeds. So while that's roasting, I wanted to show you the aubergines. Done beautifully in the air fryer, and so quick as well. Now with everything that's ready, the roasted sesame seeds and peanuts and coriander and cumin seeds and the coconut, we're going to put it all in a little blender with a little bit of water and blitz it up. So that's what you're going to see me do next. So I've got everything in here. I'm just going to blitz it up. Right, that's done now. So let's have a look. That is the paste. I'll give you the quantity of water that I put. Some cooking oil. About 2-3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let that heat up. I'm putting 4 small dried red chilies first, followed by a few fenugreek seeds. Now you don't want to put too many in because it makes it bitter. When they start popping, as they are, I'm going to drop in the chopped onions. Cook these till they are nice and brown, golden brown-ish, separated from the oil. Keep stirring it. Ginger garlic paste going in. I'm going to put in the turmeric and some chili powder, quantities of which I will give you. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. I'm going to put in the salt as well, salt to taste. Curry leaves. I'm going to put this on with the flame. Now this is cooked through. Now's the time we're going to put in that paste we made earlier. And now I'm going to put in some hot water. To increase the heat because I'd lowered it. And then we're going to put in that tamarind water. Cover this and cook it at least for 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and put the aubergine in. A bit more tamarind sauce in it because it wasn't tangy enough for me. So do taste it and see whether it's what you expect. Otherwise, do make it to your taste. Very important that you do that. Otherwise, what's the point in cooking if you don't like the taste of what you're making? So I've just added about another tablespoon of tamarind. About 10 minutes. I'm going to now put the aubergines in. Leave it for 5 minutes and then it'll be ready to serve. Okay, it has been about 7 to 8 minutes. It is all done. You can see that the oil has come up. I mean, if you see closely, you can see the oil has come up, so you know it's done. So you keep cooking it till the oil rises. And we're going to garnish it with that tablespoon of coriander leaves. It's ready to serve. There you have it, my Bagara Baingan all ready. Let us try it and see what it's like. Awesome. Make this dish, give it a go, serve it up with Hyderabadi biryani and let me know what you think. And if you don't want to serve it up with biryani, you can just have it on its own with plain rice as I'm doing. This is my lunch for today. Until next time, join me again for my next dish as I take you through a journey through my life as well. So I spent quite a few years in Hyderabad. People who know me will know my early years were from Hyderabad. So, you know, all of us become the journey through life, where we've been, what experiences we've had, and relish that. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share ahead with your friends. You never know, someone might actually enjoy this dish too. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.